Humans need a ritual. We need to be able to say that being sad's okay.
Not everything's going to win, so you have to be very comfortable with letting go.
It actually makes our culture much healthier. Not that we're setting out to fail, but we're setting out to do something so audacious, so big, that failure is a natural consequence. We're actually saying, okay, you took a big risk, you failed, good for you, now let's take another one.
Goodbye, little guy, we're gonna miss you.
So today we had announced that our project Horizon is closing and coming together to formally celebrate with your family that you're letting go of something you've worked really hard on and something you hold dear to your heart. I know that I have a family that I can rely on, that I can go to, that will carry me forward in the next things I do.
It's very interesting to connect these two projects. Even if the projects get shelved, we still learn a lot, and some of those ideas can still live with us. I love this day for connecting people and projects and celebrating them.
I liked that steeped in mystery life, that future-making, history-making type, boundary-breaking, all these so-called lines are lies.
For the last 2 years, I've been a snorkeler, and I'm not a snorkeler, I'm a scuba diver. So I'm going to put on my scuba gear, and I'm going to go deep again.
I love that I can come to work and share my full self. I can talk about my dad that I lost earlier this year, and people are open and receptive and really caring.
The idea of failing fast is not some trick to get a little bit more efficiency for Alphabet. It's about getting that time back.
Foundational change throughout history starts with healing. Dia originally was designed so that I can experiment with how far I could take you in opening up your hearts in a healing way.
Being able to reinvent ourselves is actually the quality that is going to be most valuable in the future. Now, we've hidden death away. We have taken an encounter with death off the table, okay? And so we've lost this language.
Above all else, above a job title, above the kind of role I have, what my project's doing, whether my project's alive, it's compassion for yourself.
I'm going to get the ball rolling. I'm going to push for a lot of changes. They're going to be disruptive. Let's find reasons to say yes, not to say no. I deeply, deeply appreciate the support not only for me that you've shown, but the faith and trust in X that you've shown.
Good afternoon, and welcome to Dia at X.
Today we are celebrating Dia de los Muertos, which is traditionally a Mexican celebration of ones that we've lost and things that we want to say goodbye to, but it's a really special thing here at X because we're honoring not only people but ideas.
Seeing everything that's happened today, I actually feel very inspired. I feel that there was an opportunity to really connect to this idea of letting go and facing your fears and stepping into life.
A journey started about 2 years ago in terms of understanding things that were holding me back and shedding them. And I found that incredibly liberating. We want to take all X's on that journey.
I'm feeling hyper energized by this. I feel very like I want to go just hug everyone that I see, just because it's important.